One Chicago building killed 1,000 birds overnight. Your porch light can stop the next 1,000. Each fall, millions migrate while we sleep. They aim for glow, hit glass, and drop. On October 5, 2023, at McCormick Place Lakeside Center, volunteers counted over 1,000 dead and stunned by 5:15 a.m. 33 species, warblers, thrushes, kinglets, on one sidewalk. A 2021 PNAS study on this site found 11 times fewer collisions when lights went dark after midnight. That's a switch, not a miracle. At dawn, volunteers logged species and carried the living to rehab. No high-rise? You still matter. If one light must stay on, use warm LEDs and add 2-inch spaced window decals. Tonight, from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m., turn off exterior lights and close blinds. At 6:10 a.m., check your door. Fewer moths, darker porch, more stars. Small choices save thousands this week. Which light will you switch off first?